Hey everybody, welcome back to Rich Tech, where today we're going to be looking at TopDrain. Most of the time, when installing an interior French drain, you'll want to dig deep and place the drain pipe next to the footer. A next to the footer installation will manage both groundwater and water that drains from the walls. Sometimes, though, the job can be completed with an on-footer installation. Introducing TopDrain. TopDrain was designed to maximize water flow while minimizing installation time and labor. The top of the pipe is sloped downward, which creates a thicker concrete floor that better disperses weight and reduces cracking. Its rear angle leaves space for non-removable dirt or debris that rests against the wall. Because of this, the pipe can still be placed against the wall. TopDrain features a 4-inch flange that extends up the wall, acting as a built-in diverter. This flange helps direct water down from the weep holes into the pipe and away from the foundation. Both the angle at the top of the flange and the notched ridge below keep the drain away from the wall just enough to let water flow freely into the pipe. Break out the floor next to the wall to expose the footer. Drill weep holes throughout the blocks and joints to let the water escape from the block. Using connectors, corners, and basin inlet pieces, direct the TopDrain system into the sump basin. Lay TopDrain on the footer flush with the wall. You can also add a cleanout connection for maintenance and to periodically flush out the system. For best results, fasten panels or a vapor barrier to the wall behind the flange, but not covering the weep holes. This will keep the basement walls dry while directing any moisture down and into the TopDrain pipe. For proper drainage, you'll need to cut out a small portion of the footer to allow space for the basin adapter. Use a 90-degree PVC fitting to run the basin adapter piece into the basin. Now any water that flows from the wall will drain into the pipe and down into the basin. Contact Rich Tech today for more information or to place an order for TopDrain.